I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials. Your carrier account is active and you have coverage. This prevents chasing the wrong fix. Next, toggle cellular data off and on, then put the phone in airplane mode for 5 to 10 seconds before turning it off. This forces a fresh radio handshake. If you use a physical SIM, power down, remove, and reset it. If eSIM, open Settings Cellular and confirm the profile shows. Also look for a carrier settings update and install it right away. Once done with the quick rescans, make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS. Updates often include modem and carrier fixes, so back up first and install. If problems persist, perform reset network settings. This clears Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular caches and often restores correct APN behavior. After the reset, manually verify APN, MCC, and MNC values from your carrier, or re-add the eSIM using the carrier QR code. These steps correct mismatched provisioning and get data flowing again. To finish, test cellular data by inserting your SIM into another phone or borrowing a different SIM for your iPhone. This isolates whether the issue is the device or the carrier. If the alternate device works, perform a full backup and restore your iPhone to factory settings. This repairs deep software corruption. If not, call or visit your carrier to verify provisioning and APN records. Troubleshooting tip: when nothing changes, request a carrier-side refresh or replacement SIM.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.